Alright, now we're back on here. So shut down. Now, we're going to take some more of this powdered charcoal and put this in on top of it. We got to protect our brass. You know, what you are going to be seeing, what you saw in the past videos yesterday and the day before, was the brass oxidizing, mostly zinc. I'm not even going to pull the slag off of this. I'm just going to take it directly out without doing anything to it. Looks pretty hot. Now, we're going to do some different pouring here on these muffin tins. Well, there goes my plinth. Alright, here we go.
Pretty. Very pretty. Boy, that is beautiful metal, babe.
Okay. Putting a layer of charcoal before you pour, not even skimming your metal when you're rendering it, we have found that's a good way to go. Now we're going to cool off here a little bit, and we'll weigh these things and we'll recap on the production of the last 3 days. Starting with, we started off with 55 pounds of raw material. We'll get right back with you when we cool off. See you in a little bit.